Aha! I see there's a chipmunk out there. How? Never mind. I think he may be nearsighted. Then when he sees us, then he's like, be making one of our. Am I gonna turn this fan off? And he saw me and he's like, why did I look at like a watch? Fancy, just our regular old tight bond wood glue right there. Did you see that? Did you see that? I wasn't even looking at it. Ow. Everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Just in case you're wondering, let me get this clear right off the bat. If you hear a little noise, and I know we always have background noise like from the road and all because we're out here, but if you hear a little other noise, I do have the fan going over here because it's hot, man. Thank you guys for being here with me for a few minutes. I am going to glue up some of our quilt stars, or what some people are calling them, the pinwheels. And it's not that complicated, but because there's so many odd angled gluing surfaces, it can get a little tedious. I just wanted to show you how I've made it a little easier on me. It's not gonna take us but a few minutes, so I'm gonna breeze through this real quick, and if you guys have any questions at the end or after the video, give me a shout, or if you want us to make you some of these, we'll be more than happy to do it. We're gonna be making a ton of them. All right, here we go. Okay, so we've got our pieces here to assemble our pinwheel / quilt star. I've got a lot of small, actually got 6 small right triangles. This is a 90-degree angle, and then I've made a series of 30-degree cuts, and this is what we're left with. And we're gonna assemble these together. This will make the pinwheel or the quilted star, whatever you want to call it. We want to be able to glue them up and apply even pressure on all the surfaces at the same time. And the way we do that is with a gluing jig. The way this thing goes together is if you had 2 of these in the same position, you would turn the bottom of one there and stick it there. And then continue on around. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to begin to put our pieces into our jig. See, once they all get in there, then we'll be able to glue this thing up, and bam, it'll be like that, and we'll be able to squeeze this in, we'll be able to clamp this in, and it'll apply pressure to everything. I like to just put glue on this bottom edge. There we go. Now the first one is a little tricky. I'm gonna hold it in my hand. Yeah, I don't want that to run, so. Now. There we go. All right. So now all of these pieces are in there. And the best thing for me to do is to put a little glue here. Put a little glue here. I'm gonna put a little more. We don't need any on these other surfaces. You can put them on there if you so desire, but you don't really have to. Now, bring these together. And now sorry about the shadow. Now we'll clamp these up. I just put my clamp about in the middle. Give it a little pressure. It doesn't take a lot. Make sure everything is nice and as flat as it can be. And it is. And there we go. Now we'll let that sit for a few minutes, and when it comes out, we'll drill the hole, put the hanger in it, it'll be ready to go. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. As always, thank you very much for hanging out here with us for a few minutes to watch us do something, maybe learn a little something. Like I said, this was not that complicated, but it was a little tedious, and I wanted to show you how we do it. And so now, you know, we've got this cool little thing, and like I said, we're gonna put a hanger on here, and it's gonna make a great little ornament. Thank you guys for hanging out. If we can answer any questions for you, please let us know. Follow us over at www.applevalleyfarmga.com or on any of your favorite social media sites. Oh, and if we can make any of these for you, if you don't want to do them yourself, just give me a shout and we'll hook you up. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.